Hello users. In this video, I will teach you how you can highlight a particular story to grab attentions of your visitors. To do that, go to your profile page. In the accepted section, scroll down a bit and choose a story. Let's say this story. Now click on three dots and click highlight. There are a few color options to choose from. Choose any color you want, and this is how your story will appear to others. Now, if you want to remove the color, you can again click the color, and this will remove the color from your story. You can try out all the colors that best suit your needs. Now let me show you how it appears to other users who view your profile. Now this is the view profile page of the user. Refreshing the page and seeing if the highlight works for you. So this is how users will see your story that you have highlighted. Thank you.